You look good. Saturday night, I got you all dressed up. You look good. It's a special town, Oakland. I got 5 on it. What you know about that? Yeah. I got 5 on it. I got 5 on it. Listen with that and don't weed. I got 5 on it. What you know about that? Stop it, stop it, stop it. We are JT and the Tennessee Kids. We are very happy to be back in the Bay. Matter of fact, and I know he's got family in the crowd tonight, but one of our Tennessee kids, my man Sean right there on the trumpet, all the way from the Bay. Hey, go Hypebeast, go Hypebeast. Where's your family at, man? What section? What section? Where's your family? Right there, right there, right there. You got cousins in the crowd, right? Yes. Right here? Wow, you look like him. You look like the metal version of Sean. Yeah. Well, thanks for coming out tonight, man. All right, shall we?